There are some ornamental palm trees which we planted. Now teachers who was very humorous. He passed on last year. He said, Scouts, don't worry. What you say? Let those trees remind us that we love our environment. Students to university from those schools that were calling daycares. Yeah? Those schools vanishing and in fact also financing those institutions so that our boys and girls can benefit. Carbon enough to plant grass. We brought graders. We straightened out.
Take a photograph, whether we could stand in the field with a really social distance and take an aerial photo. Thank you very much for that, the amount of work that has gone through, and we believe in 4 or 5 years we shall see a forest coming.
I would also suggest maybe we
So I'll do 1, 2, 3. We are well ready. 1, 2, 3. We are well ready. Another one. 1, 2, 3. We are well ready.
Okay. Asanteni sana.
But that is the correct way of practice.
So siku ya leo tumeungana na hao Presidential Award Scheme na KEFRI kupanda miti katika hii uwanja. Na tunapanda miti kwa sababu mbili. Ya kwanza ni kuwa tunapenda environment yetu na tunapenda miti kwa sababu tunaelewa kuwa miti ndio inasafisha hewa katika environment. Ya pili, tunapanda miti leo pamoja na Presidential Award Scheme kwa sababu hiyo scheme ilianzishwa na Duke of Edinburgh, Prince Philip, yule aliaga dunia juzi na akasikwa on Saturday. Kwa hivyo leo ni kumbukumbu ya Prince Philip na tumepanda in honor yake, ndio tumepanda hiyo miti. Na tunafurahi sana kwa sababu tumeshirikiana na walimu na wanafunzi wa hizo shule mbili na wametuahidi kuwa watatunza hiyo miti mpaka ikuwe miti ambao inapatiana kivuli na inafanya kazi ile ambao inatakikana. Hiyo miti pia itakuwa ikinikumbusha mimi kama mwanasiasa kuwa hata kama tumeheshimu Prince Philip ambaye ameenda zake, inatukumbusha pia hakuna siku nchi yetu itarudi kwa ukoloni. Iwe ni ukoloni wa mbeberu au ukoloni sisi wenyewe kujifanyia ukoloni, hatutakubali hiyo. Tutakubali nchi yetu ikuwe huru kutoka forces za aina hiyo. Hiyo ndio sababu sana kwangu mimi mwenyewe, lakini kwa wanafunzi wamepata mafunzo mingi juu ya miti, vile jinsi ya kupanda, vile inaitwa, jinsi ya kuitunza, na wamefurahi sana, najua itawasaidia. Na tumeshinda hapa tukiwa na team kutoka Presidential Award Scheme na pia kutoka KEFRI. Na jukumu letu la leo lilikuwa kupanda miti. Kwa sababu hii uwanja tumeitengeneza na timu ya CDF sana. Hii uwanja imekuwa mbaya kabisa, imekuwa haina nyasi, ilikuwa vumbi tele. Na mwaka jana tulileta graders ikalevel hii uwanja, alafu tukaenda tukanunua nyasi na tukapanda, na sasa imemea vizuri sana. Unajua wakati vijana wetu wanafanya practice katika hii uwanja, wanaweza hata kujoin national teams. Najua hii uwanja yetu ya Kirigiti inaendelea kujengwa na national government na tunafurahia sana na tunaona progress yake ni mzuri. So wakati inajengwa vijana wetu hawana pahali ya kuchezea. So sasa wanaweza kutumia hii uwanja kuchezea na pia kujitayarisha hata kuingia national levels. Kwa sababu sasa vile Kirigiti pahali imefika, hiyo itakuwa ikichezewa hata mipira na michezo international. Na wakati inachezewa, tunataka vijana wetu wawe wanatumia hii uwanja.
Today's activity was around tree planting. And the tree planting today was basically because we wanted to honor the founder of the President's Award Kenya, the Duke of Edinburgh, Prince Philip. And again, we wanted also to plug into contributing to the national tree planting campaign. And therefore, we say that young people should be at the center of making this development happen. Currently, we are working with KEFRI, and they are helping us in terms of the technical support. They are helping young people to develop their nurseries, and they're helping also young people to understand what kind of species they're growing and the benefits of those species. So that's our relationship with KEFRI, and we are moving forward with that relationship as we get to our target of 100,000 during this rainy season. Yeah, currently, today we planted indigenous trees. We have earlier planted bamboo seedlings, and therefore it's a mix of what the environment actually determines. I would encourage each and every young person to grow trees wherever they are at, because trees are really beneficial to not only young people but to the community in general. And therefore, for me, each young person grow one tree. This rainy season, we are hoping to plant 100,000. Once schools open, we want to engage as many young people who are in schools as possible to be able to plant those 100,000 trees. So within this year's rainy season, we can be able to plant the 100,000.
KEFRI has the mandate to be able to increase the 10% tree cover that is enshrined in the Kenyan Constitution. We do work closely with other bodies in the government, just like the Presidential Award Scheme. Today, we are here in this area of Kiambu to plant trees so that we can be able to remember the Earth World Day, as well as the demise of Prince Philip. KEFRI is working very closely, not only with the corporate organization, but to be able to meet the demand of the planting material, namely the seedlings. We are empowering our youth groups in various constituencies, in various corners of this country, to be able to establish nurseries that can then be able to produce enough seedlings to meet the 10% forest cover. At the same time, Kenya Forestry Research Institute, KEFRI, is working very closely with the government through the ministry to be able to achieve enough production of seeds that we can be able to meet and be able to plant and meet the 10% forest cover as is actually enshrined in the Constitution. This is what we are working together right across from the villages all the way to corporate organizations to facilitate and be able to provide the technical know-how with various organizations. Like you have seen today with the MP for the area, Jomo, we have been able to plant a lot of trees that are very important for this area. These are indigenous trees that we have planted. Namely, if I may mention them by Kikuyu rather than scientific, we have been able to plant Mudiga, a very important tree that is medicinal. These are going to give a total different climatic conditions to this area and play a very key role in beautifying this field that we are in today. And we look forward that those kind of trees, once planted, will be able to help us now and into the future. These are trees that are not going to mature tomorrow, but trees that will mature within a long duration of time and hence be able to play a very key role in environmental and climatic mitigation measures.